Welcome to Shelby Stitcher. This is Joan Parker. On this video, I'm going to show you how to quickly make some of these coordinated four patches. And by coordinated, I mean that I've used the same two fabrics, not the same two, but I used two fabrics to coordinate so that each one has two blocks that match in each color. This is a long-term project. I'm in no hurry to finish it, but I thought I would show you what I'm doing while I'm doing it. So I took strips of fabric that I found in my scrap bin and I cut them to 4-inch lengths, about 4 1/4 or 4 1/8, not exactly 4, because doing things this way, sewing them and trimming them, helps me to do these faster and have a little edge there for a little fudge factor in case I mess it up a little bit. Now what I'm doing is all my seams on the back are facing up, and I'm going to stack these so that I'm going to cut on this line and this line eventually. And I lined up this first one with a horizontal line. See that purple kind of Sully from Toy Story, I'm sorry, from Monsters Inc. color. So again, I'm covering both these lines and I'm lining this up straight. Here's my last one. This is the shortest one width-wise, but see, I'm still getting the 4 inches across. And you can see that these aren't even in how far apart they are, but they're all on an even parallel from each other. Now I'm going to line this up and hold this down firmly with my top finger and my thumb at the bottom. I'm going to hold my cutter straight up, take that off. I keep my ruler in place while I take off this little bit of trimming confetti. And I can see the comments now. Some of you are saying, Joan, I don't know why you even bother trimming off that teeny tiny bit, because is that really going to make a difference? We're not going to find out because I trimmed it off, but yes, it would. It would mess with things. Can you see this little bit that's showing over here? I'm going to trim that off. Now I have a 4-inch wide by the length of all of my strips. So now I'm just going to lay my ruler down and lining it up on my 2-inch line vertically, holding my finger and my thumb in place again. And then now, instead of just picking them up all willy-nilly, I want to match the pairs. So I'm going to flip this one over so that I get a 4-patch when I sew it together. But I want this to be the leading edge going into my sewing machine. So again, I'm just going to flip this up, line them up, sort of, stack them up. This might be my favorite one. I love Monsters Inc. So there you go. Now I have 3 more to add to my stack, and I'll use these as leader enders instead of just sewing over a scrap of fabric until the stack is completely sewn. Remember to use it up, wear it out, make it do or do without. Thank you so much for watching. Catch you later.